Jalan makan Shen kan sayo ya ke jingyarap pisa ke bahaduk kena $1 million lani haduk news pak klor tam nak kata ban kenti ki kam jo kai pertai ha ke jela. Kini kalau kat kam ke tu jo menteri rang bak ke jela kon rasang ma hadi malawai ke jalan jaga konhun menteri kabralong akan dotorit ujembang arjak
We took
arwa.
up the other two agendas. One was regarding an approval of an externally aided project under the name of the Meghalaya Eco Tourism Infrastructure Development Project. This is a $98 million project from NDB, and now the NDB requires, and the government of India requires, these EAPs to be approved by the cabinet. So we have approved that in the cabinet for development of infrastructure for experiential ecotourism in Meghalaya. So basically this will be related to ecotourism projects, infrastructure, projects like landscaping and building of tourism amenities in different locations. It also looks at revamping overall infrastructure for tourism. It looks at different cultural aspects and how to improve the infrastructure around those areas. Heritage walks like the David Scott Trail, different aspects of the tourism spots that we have. So basically it's in and around the overall development of infrastructure throughout the state. We're also looking at holistic village developments. So we're going to adopt villages in one way and then improve the overall tourism projects around those areas. There is also some component of road connectivity also in that. So things like these, there are many components. I don't think it'll be possible for me to go through all of them. But in nutshell, basically, it's regarding the infrastructural development around different tourist destinations.